Are you looking to engage with others on Twitter by posting replies on your PC? In this video, we'll show you how to easily post a reply on Twitter using your computer. First, navigate to the post you want to reply to. Once you've found the tweet, look for the reply icon underneath the post. It looks like a speech bubble with an arrow pointing towards it. Click on this icon to start composing your reply. A compose box will pop up on your screen, allowing you to type in your message. Take your time crafting a thoughtful response before hitting the reply button. This will post your reply directly underneath the original tweet for all users to see. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily post replies on Twitter using your PC. Engage with others, share your thoughts, and join the conversation in just a few clicks. So next time you come across a tweet that sparks your interest or resonates with you, don't hesitate to share your thoughts by posting a reply. It's a great way to connect with others and contribute to the ongoing dialogue on Twitter. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most out of your social media experience. Happy tweeting!